Hello everybody, in this video I will be talking about improve your English speaking alone at home. Now you guys might be thinking how it's possible. How can I improve my English speaking alone at home? But seriously guys, you can learn English alone at home without an English environment because many people said that I haven't English environment, so how can I learn English? Yes guys, you can learn English without an English environment, since many people learn this language without an English environment, and many people master in English alone at home. So you can also learn English alone at home without an English environment, because many people learn this language, they drop their comfort zone, they have to work in a certain way, in a good way. That's why they have been spoken English fluently. Okay, but you guys don't worry, I am here to solve your all the questions, to solve your all the queries. If you have any doubt, so you can write down in the comment section, and I'll definitely will be make video on it. All right, now guys, in this video I'm talking about some genuine activities, some steps that make me more fluent and more confident in English speaking in this journey. In this video, what's the step, what is the thing that I will be sharing with you, and the step, the activities is really literally really good. Okay, that's why I'm sharing with you, because the activity, the step is very essential, and I love those steps. So the step, the techniques is worth for me. That's why I thought that why not, actually I want to share with you. Now I am here to tell you what's the step, what's the thing that you need to do, and that you need to brush up your this skill. All right, and one more thing I really want to say you, please thank you guys for giving me this love. If I received so many comments, and you guys such an amazing, when I read your comment, and such an I am on cloud 9, and I don't have word to say you thank you so much. Really guys, you are so amazing and so beautiful. Guys, thank you so much again for supporting me. Thank you a lot. So without waiting around the bush, let's get start this video. Well, our first step is this narrate incident. Narrate incident, it means whatever have occurred with you, you just have to simply describe it. Okay, whatever circumstances you have been through, you have to simply describe it on your own way. You can describe it, your best moment, your funniest moment in your college, and your worst moment that you are going to love it very much, and you will describe it, won't you guys? Yes, this is a very amazing and my personal favorite activity, and you can narrate everything, and you are doing any work, so you have to narrate it while doing any work, and you just lay down your bed, and you just think in English and narrate everything in English. And if you have a much time, so you can go in front of mirror and describe it and narrate your best moment that you love it so much. And if you are narrate everything, you have to win through your mistake, and this activity relies so many things you, because when you are narrate everything, your mind will be active, your mind will be active, and then you have to narrate everything in English. Okay, now clear. Second step is this tongue twister. Yes, if you really want to speak fluent English, even you make sure work upon tongue twister. Yes, if you mispronounce some certain words, so you have to try some tongue twister that will be help you to improve your pronunciation, to improve your way of speaking. Because when while speaking we mispronounce some words, because we are not habitual to speak this language, and that's why we mispronounce some words. So seriously guys, it's occurred to me so many times. When I made videos, I mispronounce some words, and literally when I feel exhausted, I literally mispronounce some words and my tongue is went sleep. I haven't any idea, so I try some tongue twister. Actually, I want to try some tongue twister, and the first is ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. And the second, most of the people mispronounced it. The second tongue twister is she shells by the seashore. She shells by the seashore. You make sure pay attention on the sh or sh sound. Alright, that would be help you to improve your English speaking. Alright guys, now move on to the third step. Now the third tip is record your voice. Yeah guys, this is also very helpful step that would be help you so much, because many people recollect don't want to record their voice. But seriously guys, you can use this activity, you can implement this activity in your daily routine, and such this activity and such an amazing activity. Though while you are recording your video and then you listen your recording, so you have to come across your mistake, you have to recognize your mistake. That would be a really helpful for you guys, because you listen your mistake and again you will be speak. So you have to make sure you won't make this mistake over and over again. All right, now move forward to the fourth step that make you more fluent in English. And well, the fourth step is this shadowing. Shadowing, one of the most essential activities ever in our room, so we have to describe it, okay, for a good way. We watched any video, and after the video you have to describe it on your own way, and what you have to pick up a one you have to pick up a one topic and summarize and abbreviate it your own way, help you to improve your this skill. Okay, improve your communication skill, because whatever comes your mind you have to describe it. Also you are summarizing the topic in your own way. All right, now that is also a very beneficial activities, you're gonna try it. But it doesn't mean you are copying someone, it doesn't mean you are imitate to the another person. You have to summarize your own way. You are describing anything, so you have to search a keyword related to the topic, okay, and then you have to describe minimum 20 minutes. Fifth step, but not the least, the fifth step is this: read aloud. I know you heard so many times read aloud, but it doesn't mean if you are speaking anything, and if you are reading anything, you are speaking inwardly in the heart of hearts. No, you don't need to do this. If you are speaking, so you have to speak aloud. If you have a people around you, so go with a peaceful pace and describe it and speak aloud, okay, and speak with yourself. This is the fifth activities that I share with you guys. Hope you are using these steps. Whatever activities I shared with you, you have to implement. Then these activity helpful for you, and without using anything, without using any activity, so no activities work upon it. Okay, you have to implement it and have to give attention on it. All right, I hope you got it what I'm trying to say with you. This is all that I wanted to tell you. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And yeah, I will be meet in the next video. Until then, keep learning, and bye.